Greeting for everyone. My name is Yong Kang Sin and I'm from Guangdong University of Finance. My research topic is WebXR user interface study in designing 3D layout framework in static websites. The first content is about the research problem. At first, we provide two images. The left image is the HoloLens platform and the right image is the VR platform. We find that XR devices still have limited support to transfer websites into XR platform. As you see, both of the images they supporting the basic visual effect, the same as the desktop version. However, they only support a very simple gesture and the user interface didn't use the XR characteristic. Therefore, we raise up a question. What about design an efficient and immersive interactive framework in WebXR is necessary? That is our motivation. However, website has many types. We need to narrow down the specific levels research scope in the first stage. So, in the first stage, we plan to build at the initial design principle with fundamental XR characteristics in static websites. And the static website should be built by HTML5. The second part is the framework overview. In this section, we'll talk about the design concept, main content, and the navigation system. At first, we talk about our design concept. At first, we need to divide the different user interface layout by different platforms. As you see in the figure, we divide into XR platform, mobile platform, and desktop platform. We use the responsive layout to do it. Responsive layout is not a fresh technology. It already happened in the mobile platforms in 2010. And then at that time, responsive layout is used to divide the mobile platform and desktop platform. Therefore, we can use the responsive layout this technology to divide the three different platforms. The second section is about the 3D layout. We need to build a 3D layout. So we need to divide the website section in each page. Header, this is navigation. The body is the main content and the footer. The footer is about the copyright information. Normally it's not important, so we design it in sitting in the 3D corner, environment corner, so it's not that important. The main content, most important is header and body. The navigation information displays a 3D perspective to guide the user to explore the website. The body section, the main content, divides the content into different blocks. Different blocks display in different positions in the 3D environment. Then we move to the main content. Here is the main content layout plan. The main content is in the middle and the right side is in the scroll bar and the left side is the navigation icon. We discussed about the main content, how it looks like. At first, we already in the previous slide talking about the content divided into different blocks. So the current block is in here. And the next block and the previous block is up and down. When the user scrolling, use the gesture, and then different blocks will be moved from the different sequence by the sequence. Here is how the scroll bar looks like. When the user uses the gesture to click in here, they will be moved to next or the previous section, and then it will show a small screenshot for each page, so the user will know exactly where he is, and he also can know the overview of the image, the page. And then we design the prototype by Unreal Engine. So here is the VR platform, as you see how to use the gesture, move up or down, and then use this one to up or down, also the same as this one. And then we also testing in the MR platform here. But the screenshot, because the field of view is quite large, so it looks quite small. But in fact, if you play in the HoloLens is not that kind of the small, it's very big, just the capture image capture problem. So as you see can as well. And then we will talk about the navigation. The navigation design working flow is in here. At first, this image will be happening in the main content. So we talk about the navigation icon right now. When the user click the navigation icon will be disappear. As you see, the main content, the distance in here is quite different. They will move back, and then the location panel will be displayed in here, and then there will be also have a 3D ring to control the panel. The next image we talk about how the navigation design working flow will looks like. At first, at the previous slide, we already talked about the navigation icon. Click that and then show the location panel. The location panel will show the location path and let the user to know where he is. In the location panel, there will be the same link in the same sub-level. So the users can click the link to display the selected place. At the same time, you can use the 3D ring, use the gesture for rotating the 3D ring to move to the menu panel. Menu panel contains all the levels and sub-levels menu. So when you can scan all the menus in here, and then you can click the selected link you want. And then there will be the panel concept. Here is the location panel. You can see exactly know where the position it is. And then the second one is the menu panel. As you see, you can check all the page, their mental description. So the user can, after read the description, can know the overview about the content that will be more visualized. And then there will be the prototype overview under the VR, as you see how to rotate it and then transfer it. And then there will be the location panel and the menu panel. It's also the same effect by the HoloLens in here. And then we will start, second phase, we will start to display the demo video. The demo video I need to say is because it's running under the desktop and then remote and controlled by the HoloLens. Therefore, there will be some recording quality. Please everyone forgive with that. Thank you. Please remind that the quality, if you use this prototype, is very normal, just the recording problem, just the recording, there will be some image resolution loss. After we discuss about the demo, we will start to talk about the conclusion that will be about what our current research limitation and the future work. And also because the reviewer has some question, we also need to answer that. And the first one is how to prove it work. We will provide a comparison study between the PC and MR. Right now, I have started to run the user test by the PC. The users can scan the visit the platform, visit the website and answer the question. And then I will start to running the users to run use the HoloLens to check the website and compare the reading efficiency. And the second phase is the device types of information, because in the website there are many elements such as like the table or the sliding or some input element. There are many things. We need to analyze how to improve the data visualization in XR platform. We will discuss how to make the information in more visualization and more readable in XR platform. That's also we need to do in the next stage. And the first thing is the better represent diverse type of information. As everyone knows, the website does not contain the static website. There will be also include a dynamic website. For the dynamic website, future study will narrow down the specific service scope to design other general framework. So we still have many things to do. Right now, our position research just moved to still in the initial stage. Thank you, everyone. That's all my presentation today. If you have some question, just let me know.